Content matters, and so does how you use it to connect with your audiences. But how do you do it consistently, effectively, efficiently? In today's times, you would need to customize your content, especially with AI tools. Our AI tool GetGenie will help you do just that. So let's enter GetGenie's editor and explore more. So when you're at the WordPress dashboard, we'll go to posts and add a new post. Here you will see the GetGenie plugin interface with the WordPress editor, and you will click on Write for Me. This leads to 37 templates of GetGenie, all AI driven. However, for our video purpose, we will work with the Blog Wizard, an easy and quick blog writing AI tool. So the first task in any blog writing is to find out the primary keywords and type in the primary keywords. In this case, our primary keyword is best coffee maker machine, and our language will be English, and we will keep on the SEO mode turned on because it will help us to analyze keywords with the help of GetGenie. Among many other regions, we'll select United States and analyze keyword. As you can see, GetGenie offers an in-depth analysis with metrics and stats of the keyword research. It has aspects like the search volume, competition difficulty level, and the CPC. Now these are pretty detailed topics to talk about, so we will talk about them in a separate video. For now, we'll move on to generating the title, where the customizing content begins. Now what sets GetGenie apart is how much customization level it allows you. As you can see, it allows you up to level 5 of creativity, and it allows you 6 output results. We will select 3 result options and add a bit of context to make the blog a bit humanized. So here I write down top 5 coffee maker machines in the US for 2024, telling Tini that I want the descriptions about the top 5 coffee makers in the US for 2024 only, and then I go to generating the title. And as you can see here, 3 titles are presented by GetGenie. So what I'll do is that I'll select number 1, 2024's top 5 best coffee maker machines in the US, because it sounds quite simple and easy to grasp. And I'll move on to generating the intro. Before generating the intro, I can do a bit of editing on the title, but I won't do that for the time being. I'll just simply keep the language English, creativity level up to 3, and results to 3, and move on to generating the intro. Now again, GetGenie offers you 3 options for the intro. Now we'll select number 2 and click next. But don't you think the intro looks a bit long? It should be a bit shorter. In that case, what we can do is that we can select some parts of it and trim them off. After doing that, we'll again select our language, creativity, and results inputs, and then generate outline. And with generate outline, the real customization magic occurs. Why I say that is because GetGenie offers you 3 sets of outlines, from where you can select either one single set as your headings for the article, or you can select headings from each of the 3 sets. Plus, you have the option to select your competitors' articles outlines. We click fetch data and get the list of articles that your competitors wrote and are ranking high on the search engines, and from there you can actually select some headings that you think would be good for your article. So here, as you can see, a good number of articles that are ranking high against the keyword is shown here. So what we'll do is that we'll select one of these articles, the 10 best coffee makers 2024 by Forbes, and see what headings they have. However, what I'll do is that I'll avoid using any of the headings and move to selecting the outlines myself. And what I'll do is that I'll select particular headings from each of the 3 sets. And finalize the outline for the blog. So the final piece of the puzzle occurs when this pop-up box shows up. It asks you to either select customized content or one-click blog. As we are working with customized content, we will select customized content, and you can check out how to use one-click blog and another amazing feature of GetGenie via the link in the short description below. So finally, we are at the stage when we will go full throttle with our customizing efforts. First of all, GetGenie asks you to again give some context if needed. We'll avoid that for now, or add some keywords for the text for the blog. We'll do that. Add on primary keyword, get some other keywords, and start writing for our blog. So the first section, the rise of the smart coffee makers. I will select this, and I'll select the length, because even here GetGenie allows you options to see if we want the length to be small, medium, or large. So for the first section, I'll select the small length and click on generate. And as you can see here, we have a good amount of text written for the rise of smart coffee makers section. If you think it's good enough, you can click on continue, or you can just click on regenerate to get another set of text. However, I'll continue with this. Then moving on to the next section and generate. Now here I have a couple of paragraphs based on that particular heading. Here I will regenerate to see whether I get something better or not. Well, I got something slightly better. However, I would like to make a bit of slight edits. Like for example, I would like to remove this particular sentence. So once I've done that, I'll press continue. And then I'll do the same for the next section, and I'll keep the section small and generate. And with conclusion of the article written, I'm ready to insert the first draft of my article on the GetGenie WP blog editor. So here is the first draft of the article that we have been customizing so far. However, it does not mean that once it's in the blog editor, the customization or the revising ends. You can always select a particular section that you think is not good enough or can be changed or improved, and click on this icon, GetGenie, and rewrite the text. You can do a bit of editing yourself here. However, I'll skip that and ask GetGenie to do that for me. Again, GetGenie will show us three options for the results. I'll select number 2 or replace it with the existing text. And another thing I want to show is that in case you think more content can be written, select the place you want to add more content. Click on the icon, continue writing, and GetGenie will provide options for that as well. Again, there are three options at your screen. We'll skip it for now. And I'll select number 3, and we are good to go with our customized content in the form of a blog with the help of Blog Wizard of GetGenie. So this is how you create customized content with GetGenie. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So till next time, enjoy the SEO and content marketing magic amplified with AI.